Good morning all. It is Sunday, July 31st, and I'm doing some scooter maintenance and cleanup today. I got 3 of the scoots out here to get baths that haven't been bathed in quite a while. Got the 2015 PCX150, 16 PCX150, and 2004 Honda SilverWing 600 over there. They are a little smarmy. They've been sitting around getting dusted and rained on and garage dust and everything else, but the 15 PCX is actually wearing a bunch of Texas dirt from the Texas Tiddlers run several weeks back. Hasn't been bathed, so today is going to be a cleanup and maintenance day. That one is due for an oil change, I believe. This one is okay. That one needs an oil change because it's been sitting for a couple of years. I will be doing some major maintenance and cleanup on it. I finally got it started. The starter switch up there was goobered, not making connection, and it still doesn't sometimes. So I got to pull that switch pod apart and clean up the contacts. I need to pull my clutch apart back here and deglaze it. Oil change. It needs a bunch of stuff. It's been sitting a while, but crazy enough, it has probably 3-year-old fuel in that thing, and it stinks like, you know, a very nasty vintage already, but it still runs. It was amazing. I put a fresh battery in it, cleaned up that switch, and hit it, and the motor only turned over maybe twice before it fired up. So it's still running with that crappy gas, but I'm definitely going to be pulling the fuel out of that. I've got a suction pump, so I'll evacuate that tank, throw a bunch of seafoam or some kind of cleaner in there, and clean it up, get this thing ready for the road again. I'll be riding this this fall up to the Scoot the Ozarks event, most likely. Just get it out for some more road fun. It hasn't been out in a while. Need to get it out there and exercise it a bit. Good machine. It's just a little bit heavy for running around town. These aren't highway machines, but I push them into that role. Anyway, I'll catch you all a little bit later.